A time of crisis and despair in hospitals with not enough staff to keep up. Healthcare shortages are sweeping the nation. In Washington, healthcare workers have to get vaccinated or could lose their job. Some are ready to walk out because they don't want the vaccine, even though the majority of people filling up hospitals aren't vaccinated.
Esther Bauer shows us how vaccine mandates could further staffing shortages.
Healthcare workers have to make the choice, get vaccinated or risk getting fired. Some still don't want the shot and say this mandate is putting even more people at risk when hospital workers are needed now more than ever.
This is a huge issue and people will die waiting for the medical care.
Sherin Davis has been a respiratory therapist for 12 years. She works at Sacred Heart and has been caring for COVID patients, but doesn't want the vaccine.
I've been doing that since February 2020 and I have not gotten sick. I have not gotten another patient sick. I don't need a vaccine to continue doing my job. I know in my department there's about 30 RTs that do not want to get this vaccine.
A job so desperately needed when patients are flooding the hospital. COVID cases are on the rise. Today, the health district reported 326 new cases.
There's a couple different things.
Sherin thinks the government shouldn't control her medical decisions. She says she'll wear a mask and get tested regularly. She just wants what goes in her body to be her choice.
We can't force other people to do something against their body because we're afraid. Like, it's just not right.
We did reach out to Sacred Heart to see how they'll fill these potential vacancies and address healthcare shortages, but they declined to comment. Sherin says she's disagreed with patients' personal choices before, but it was always her job to let them make their own choice.
Whether they chose it for religious belief or just personal beliefs, it doesn't matter. We still take care of them. We still braid their hair. That's still our job. And that's be taken away from us, and that just breaks my heart.
And this mandate doesn't just affect healthcare workers. First responders and teachers in Washington all have to get vaccinated or risk losing their job. Reporting in Spokane, Esther Bauer, 4 News Now.